Today I'm doing an unboxing and my first impression of this double electric breast pump by NCVI. First thing you get are these nursing breast pads in a pack of 6. Then you get this charging cable that is USB-C and 2 air tubes. Then you get 10 breast storage milk bags. Next up are 8 flanges of different sizes ranging from 21 to 32 millimeters. So you get 21, 24, 28, and 32. I have never seen a breast pump that comes with a variety of flange sizes like this, so this is awesome. You have 2 nipples for your milk bottles, the actual milk bottles that come in a count of 2, and the pumping parts. The beautiful part is everything is already pre-assembled, so you are ready for your first pumping session right away. The bottles are in 6 ounces each. And the most important is the motor piece. I love the design. It has the touch screen on the top as well as the non-slip bottom. This is the charging piece and where you would insert your tubes. I love the gold finish on the top, and this also is claimed to be a night light, so I'm excited to test it out. But first, you need to make sure that it's fully charged before the first pumping session. You also get these straightforward instructions that literally take a minute to learn. The assembly process is really straightforward. You just take the flange of your choice and insert it into the pumping part on one side. On the other side is where you would insert your air tubes. Just make sure that they fit nice and snug. And the other side of the tube would go into your motor. I appreciate the brand who sent me this so I can give you an honest review and help you make an informed buying decision. So this literally takes a few seconds to assemble, making sure that your air tubes fit tightly on the other end as well. And to operate, you only have one button right there. That's power button that you need to hold and wait until the screen lights up. And this is the most satisfying part. This is an LED touch screen that is easy to operate. You have this M button that will switch between 4 modes: massage mode, multitronic suction mode, suck simulate mode, and express mode. The plus and minus buttons will control the suction level. It goes from 1 to 9. And then on the right side of the suction level, you would see your timer as well as the battery level. And here's the coolest feature in my opinion, the night mode. You have this button that's shaped like a moon, and this lights up in orange color all around the body of the motor. And I will also test it out in the nighttime. You can also pause and resume your pumping session by lightly tapping on that power button and tapping back. And here's what it looks like in the dark. I really love how subtle the color is, and it really gives you enough light to see what you're doing and also not disturb your sleeping baby. In my opinion, this breast pump kit really has everything you need and beyond. It looks like it's great quality, and it was so easy to assemble and is straightforward in use. If you are in market for one, give this one a try.